All right, nature nerds, strap in. This isn't your average forest stroll. Get ready to test your wild wisdom.
Which marine creature possesses 3 hearts? What unique defense mechanism does the bombardier beetle employ? Halfway through, is your inner naturalist soaring or stumbling? Which bird holds the title for the longest migration? What is the primary difference between a stalactite and a stalagmite? Which natural phenomenon creates the northern lights? Wow, what an adventure! How many natural wonders did you conquer today? Pat yourself on the back. Drop your score in the comments and follow for more wild quizzes.